back to my video. Well, today we have Miss Indu. How do I know her? So, I think you know me from YouTube, right?
Yeah, yes, Siddhi, from YouTube.
So,
1 year.
he contacted me. I was taking classes before, like my internship, for I think it was just 1 month. We tried. Indu was the star student. So, today, tell me how the paper was, how paper 1 was, paper 2, everything about it.
Yeah.
Up to you.
Yeah, yes, Siddhi. So, first of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. So, the first paper for me, it was tough actually. I didn't expect such a tough question paper. That is the truth. Because some questions were really tough from a new topic was asked, and some questions were very, very easy. Like we can just close our eyes and mark the answer, like Indian ink, Cryptococcus, all those questions. Some questions were really confusing. I already told you, like an NPC was asked, and we already know that NPC is associated with a male, but the question came as a female. So those kind of questions were what we studied, and they asked in a different manner. So those were the things, and many questions were there from forensic and psychiatry. Forensic, many questions were asked in a very tricky manner. Psychiatry also, it was asked in a very tricky manner, and BNS was asked. One question was there from BNS, like magistrate question was there. So first paper was, first 50 questions was okay for everyone, because we were like, okay, so this is the level of FMG, we can pass. We were like, okay, like that type. But then 100 questions came, and I was literally about to cry, because I was like, I'm not gonna pass this exam. That was my mentality for the next 100 questions, because it was so tough. We didn't expect such a questions, to say the truth. Tough questions I did not get time. From my point of view, the first part was really tough, that I didn't get any time. Some problems and all were there in the PSM. Some questions, numericals were there from the PSM. So I was not able to do that properly because I did not have time. All the questions I was calculating, and the timer was up. So I approximated and wrote the answer for PSM 2 questions or something. So yeah, PSM was pretty good from the first paper, because all the teachers discussed many questions, and mainly it came from that only, PSM. Anatomy questions were really less. Like I expected all my friends, we all studied anatomy like 20 questions, to yahi se aayegi, we should study like that. But because some questions, if anatomy came, then our confidence would have boosted a little bit. But anatomy, much questions were not there, is what I felt. Psychiatry and forensic, many of us studied psychiatry and forensic well. So because
psychiatry was like a surprise. Many came from.
Yeah,
and people, psychiatry is a subject कि बहुत लोग सोचते हैं अरे ठीक है skip कर देंगे and stuff. So for them they were इसमें कैसे क्वेश्चन थे? मतलब usually I think psychiatry तो schizophrenia के क्वेश्चन आएंगे.
This had questions from circumstantiality, questions on the basis of some other panic attacks was there, I guess. So many questions like that, on the basis of that was there. Even forensic also.
जिन्होंने अगर rapid revision भी किया होगा psychiatry का, they would have been able to solve it, right? Rather than skipping, just you can do all the. Okay, this is one takeaway. And how much approximately came of PSM in paper 1?
25, Didi, 25 was there. Yeah, 25.
And, which subject in paper 1 was like the toughest for you?
For me, it was Patho and Biochem. Patho, there were some images that was shown to us, and that I felt a little problematic. And now I remember, first part mein, there were some questions, like everyone was asking what is the answer when we came out. Like they were telling about a boy who had a small ear, and the ear was placed somewhere down. So we were looking like ये तो Down syndrome नहीं है, Fragile X भी नहीं है. So what it is? So those kind of questions were really tough from Patho's side. I think it was from Patho only, like that Fragile X part, Down syndrome part, and all the. It was something a new question I felt, and the question was about simian trees also, but options were not on the basis of Down syndrome, something like that. So Patho was difficult for me, and for me Biochem was a little difficult. Yeah, I studied from your classes, like you and Dr. Narendra took a class for 1 month. I attended that for surgery, for microbiology and biochemistry. So for biochemistry, that was you actually told me. You actually told in that class also. You referred Preeti ma'am's and your notes were exactly similar to her notes also. So it was very easy for me to study because I already studied from Preeti ma'am, and then I listened to your class, so I did not felt any difference in either teaching style. Either in the teaching style or anything. I did not feel any difference. But biochemistry, it was my first time I am studying biochemistry. So I studied from Dr. Narendra's video. So that was my main source actually. In that I added some points, like if I'm seeing some new question, I'm like, अरे ये तो यहाँ पर था, लेकिन in some another manner. So I'm like, oh, सब कुछ तो इस notes में है. Why should I refer something else? What's my mentality?
What did you learn from paper one?
What I learned is, when I am sitting now, I think I should have kept a little calm. Like I should have kept myself a little calm when I wrote the 50 and 100 questions, the second and the third part. When I wrote, I should have kept a little calm. Like I got tensed. कि ये क्या आ गया, मतलब what is happening was my thing, you know. I was little demotivated in the 50 and 100 questions that came in the second and third part. So I think everyone should keep their nerves down while they are writing the second and third paper. Like which all set is coming tough for them, they should keep a little. That's what I learned, and study from the main videos because they are asking some
random कुछ भी.
And some PYQs were there from NEET PGDB and INICT also. Some recall questions were there.
Around how many you would say?
5-6 questions. Not that much, but we'll confident ki we did and this came. INICT, I think 2 questions or 3 were there. NEET PG also 3 or 2 was there. PYTs, I heard after the exam, I heard कि NEET PG का topics repeat हुआ था. Last time NEET PG PYTs repeat हुआ था. But I just remember 2 PYQs because I only did PYQs and went. So if some people are getting enough time, they can start preparing the PYTs. I actually started doing PYQs in the last month. NEET PG PYQs I did in the last month. But if they are preparing early and they are preparing all the PYTs from the first of NEET PG, I heard Rajiv Dhawan sir and all telling he NEET PYTs is what you need to focus now. So that was my first paper.
But it was very important to solve PYQs. I mean, that gave a lot of confidence. At least कुछ तो आया जो सीधा पढ़ा and like that you got. So PYQs is very important. Okay. Now let us shift to I think paper 2. Paper 2 कैसे questions थे, clinical थे, one-liners थे, images थे, मतलब just break it down.
It was clinical mainly, second paper, mainly clinical. And OBG, lot of OBG, lot of surgery, but and every other question I felt like it was an image first. It was the second paper, image, and some images were hand drawn by them. So it was images. Some were hand drawn, some were it was nice to see images. At least we know this image, we know which body part it is, rather than a random question coming out of anywhere. So it was nice. And then it was mainly OBG and ENT. Like July paper, maybe Preeti ma'am have told like ENT was out of the box. Like some questions were really difficult. The same as what I felt this time for ENT. Some questions were very nice. Like the usual question, NPC, JNA, that kind of a question. Some questions were tough. ENT. OBGY was the scoring subjects in the second paper is what I think. But simple, many of me and many of my friends also made some simple mistakes, Didi, because we were like, we need to jump into the next question. That's when we see the recalls, we felt like, we could have done better. But overall, compared to first part, second part was very easy. Very easy nahi, it was good. First part was, yeah.
Confidence आपको second paper में आया. First में गई मैं तो I redeemed myself. Okay.
We did something. We felt like, okay, whatever we studied came in one way or the another. Baki sab we can leave to God. But first paper, like even God can do anything. That was our mentality for these 100 questions. We like, what is happening? That kind of a thing. Yeah. So second paper was mainly clinical.
Okay.
Yeah.
What helped you more during the last part? Was it revision of your notes? Did you give GTs या फिर MCQ solve किए? मतलब तुम्हें क्या लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा help तुम्हें कौन से part ने किया? Like what part of your preparation helped you the most?
What I feel now, Didi, the results are not out, so I cannot say much. But what I felt is, when I watched these main videos and all, like when we were in college, some of my friends used to say we don't know what is helping us in the final exam. So for me, many questions that I recalled was from those main videos that I watched in the final days of MBBS. Like before coming to India, what I studied from my college, I used to watch main videos fully. Whatever is my posting, I used to watch that videos to get an idea. So that helped me a lot, I guess, watching main videos, because many questions from Gynec I was able to solve because that were directly from that main videos. So those kind of questions, those helped me, and obviously revising the notes multiple times because I stopped my GT in the 3rd of Jan. I stopped. After that, I was not confident enough to give. So
Jan, you continued. That's like a huge thing. So overall, how many GTs you gave?
I don't know. I just gave randomly, like.
Yeah. Okay. Understandable. So
I think I can say this better only after the results are out, because I don't know whether जो भी मैंने किया है वो सही है या नहीं. I used to message you and Dr. Narendra. You used to message you guide me.
Most of emotional support. Please support me.
Yeah, and I still remember in the November and all, I messaged Dr. Narendra. I asked him, can you call me, sir, when you're free? And he called me. And I asked him, sir, मुझे आप क्या करनी चाहिए? मतलब what should I do? This is what I asked him. What should I do? And he was very helpful. He told me, ye karo. And and he told me, you already did so many GTs. So you need to review that GTs. Literally, Didi, मैं तो 10 दिन 15 दिन I did my 15 days. I followed that thing. And December में, last 10-15 days, I was so hard, like, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. In that flow, I forgot to do those GT reviewing. But during exam, I felt like GTs when we are doing, we'll be like, ये तो tough question है, ये तो नहीं आएगा, ये तो बहुत tough है, ये तो नहीं आएगा. All those things came. So I was like, मैंने वो GT फिर से review किया होता. I should have followed what he told. Then all those tough questions, I would have got it right at least. मतलब मैंने ये कहीं तो देखा था, लेकिन I don't remember where I saw. I don't remember the options, but I know मैंने ये GT पे दिया था. I gave this. But I gave it in some August or something. Obviously, I can't remember it for 4 months. Yeah. So that's what he told me. You should review your GTs. Even though you know the answer, you just take your GTs every 1 hour, you review it. And for 15 days, I did. Then in the last 15 days, I'm like, I don't know what to do. I'm studying this. And so I think if you're reviewing your GT, even though you know your answer, just seeing the questions and okay, iska answer ye hai. If you do that, you'll score good, even if it's a tough paper. I had the privilege of getting an advice, but I did not follow it. So I regret that. I regret not
Maybe
reviewing.
you need to take your interview again after the result because I've had this call and no one actually. Whatever it is, because I know you've studied so much. Like every day, you used to whatever question I used to put, the answer used to be before my question. So I know I trust in you. Like you have studied too much, and you've been studying like consistently. So if I mean like it's your hard work. अगर तुम्हारा नहीं आएगा तो किसका आएगा उस हिसाब से. So like right now many people like you said that बहुत stress में they are like अभी से पढ़ना चालू करते हैं वगैरह. So what is your emotional state at the moment? How are you feeling?
At the moment, I feel God will do miracle, Didi. I believe in Mahadev. So I feel He'll do miracle for me. That's what I believe in. So I am hoping and I'm counting on him for the best. And I am not starting my preparation now because कुछ भी नहीं बचा है दीदी. मतलब
relax right now. Right now, I think is the time to relax because you've been overworking. I would say more than 10 hours. All we used to do.
All my friends have been overworking. We all are like we don't have energy to even. We all are installing Instagram. We are just scrolling it. Our main agenda is that only, and I'm sure God will, because we have worked. Everyone in my batch, people I know, we have worked very hard. Everyone late night. Everyone is messaging at 2:30, 3:30 and all, and they're waking up at 8 o'clock. I'm like, you should sleep. 5 hours, 4 hours. We work. Yeah.
I think right now to other people also, even though you think that your paper went horrible and you're going to fail, because मैंने भी एक इंटरव्यू दिया था रिजल्ट के पहले, just my friends Dr. Alpha, Narendra and me, and I thought I'm going to fail, it's okay, I'll just bail India, I'll get out of India, I don't want to give this exam again, because that's how the paper was. And the questions review में कैसे होता है, we just remember like easy questions and we just remember options. So we just tell sir, ma'am options and वो लोग क्वेश्चन अपने हिसाब से बनाते हैं. So जो डिफिकल्ट वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो समझ में ही नहीं आता कौन किसको कैसे बोलेगा, क्योंकि इतने बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चंस. We tell them what we faced, what we experienced, and they won't know the question. Okay, unless they see the question paper. So there's no option, and every paper is not easy at all. That much I think everyone of us experiences that it's not easy. Yeah. But I think and because many easy question होते हैं, doable question होते हैं, मिला जुला के 150 तो आ जाए, है ना?
I hope that they will like somewhere get 150.
Yeah. 150 is the goal. उसके ऊपर का बोल कहीं ना कहीं लगी जाए.
That is from God's grace. Anything above that is God's grace.
And most definitely, I think everyone should pass because this is not competitive. So let us pray that everyone who has studied should pass.
Yes, baby. Yes, I owe you and Dr. Narendra a big one after the exam. Party, for sure, 100%.
And what is the situation like? You said internship for 2 years, 3 years. I heard that scenario in South.
In my state, many of my seniors are telling, like when they approached, mainly we'll have to do. Everyone have a thing of doing in government medical colleges, right? And they're not calling just children's mainly, is what I heard. And some they are asking us to do for 2 years and 3 years of internship. So in Kerala, I'm from Kerala, so they want 2 years of, mainly because we lost some classes during COVID time, so that is what they are telling, and mainly to those people who came back from Russia also, because during COVID they were not able to go back, or not COVID, because of the war, I guess. I'm not sure, but they are asking for 2 years, and they're not calling the children's actually. Those who passed the exam also, they are waiting for the government to call. Like 1 year they are waiting for. It's very difficult.
It's really horrible because even though you pass first go. Right now our age is like 24, like
22.
mine is 26 at the moment, but when we passed it was like 24, 23, and it's just 1 year waste, which is like a huge thing.
Yes.
So I think
Yes, it is.
government
And
should do something about it, like state government.
yeah,
Because
many
it's
people
like a
have
huge thing.
many people have filed court. They have approached the court and all in order to correct this measure, and I think it's there in some other states also. So some of my seniors have taken an NOC and went to other states for completing their internship, because rather than wasting 1 year, we can obviously go.
Just do it in any hospital where
Yeah.
1 year is available. Just do it. Even though, like, if you're not getting money, I think it's okay, because
Mhm.
1 year. It's
Yeah,
okay.
yes. Rather than doing 2 years, it's better to
Rather
just
than sitting at home and doing nothing.
Yeah.
You know, I think
Correct.
it's better. And our parents are like God people, God's people. They're spending so much on us. It's like
Yeah.
huge. We'll also start feeling burdened if we are just sitting at home and doing nothing. It's like
Correct.
a huge burden.
Correct.
Just go in another state, and I know, like, even though your marks are good, domicile people will be preferred first, and then the non-domicile one, no matter the marks. So that's pretty unfair. I feel that's pretty unfair. But just practically, and just go to a state that is giving good options.
Some of my seniors also went like that. They were given pretty good options on the basis of choosing the college that they want when they went to a different state. So I don't know. I hope it. First of all, it's to pass the exam, Didi. I hope, and I want the result. We all want our results to come early,
As
like
soon as possible.
as
Yeah.
soon as possible. Yeah.
So now, what are your plans? Now let's talk about chill and easy stuff. You've done a lot. Right now, let's talk about what are you doing? What series are you watching? Are you doing something, or you've started?
I just wanted to do my room first, so I just did a small makeover because it was not looking like my room, because 6 months I was not there home.
Yeah.
So it was looking like someone else's room. So I was trying to make it better, and then I got some books to read, and yeah, that's it. Watching some movies, watched some movies. I lost the momentum of how to watch a movie. I was a very
How to relax? Yeah, exactly.
When you used to take class in when you used to take that 1 month class, you were asking what is your plan, and I used to say मिर्जापुर का सीजन आया है, मुझे देखना है. वहीं से क्या देखना है मुझे पता नहीं का जो जर्नी है ना दीदी, that is something.
That is insane. एकदम character बन जाता है, you know?
And you told me कि अरे you are gonna watch मिर्जापुर. तुम्हें तो एग्जाम नहीं है इंदु, तो देख लो. You told that, I still remember. And everyone was at the peak of their exam stress. That was a July session. I did not write a July session, so I was preparing for December only. So you told me, "Arey Indu, you're gonna watch Mirzapur." Yeah, I was like, "Haan, Didi, I'm gonna watch." And from that to this, I haven't watched any season till now, because I lost the touch of literally.
Yeah.
Because now mind, we all are tensed. I am messaging my friends, they are messaging me. We're like, recall dekha yaar, mark nahi hai. Matlab, that is the thing. Recalls are not the questions that we wrote. And
frankly, I didn't recall. मेरा exam हुआ, I'm just like, now I'm free. Now I start my YouTube. I don't care. We feel really depressed. अगर एक भी because अरे यार ये.
Yeah. So and what I felt is, in my computer it was literally 4-5 lines ka question. Teachers are giving just in one line, and they are just picking the easy points. Matlab samoma bodies. So they are telling, okay, meningioma. Lekin that was coming in a different manner in the question. It was a male samoma bodies, and he was having some other history also, because we obviously studied with the female samoma bodies, and that's what we reached the answer till meningioma. But this was a male, And I was confused कि male को samoma bodies meningioma आएगी क्या? Like I did not study any male having meningioma. So I'm like ये confuse करने के लिए दिया है या so that we started doubting ourselves कि NB तो दिया है तो it is a male so it is a samoma. I was thinking what will be the answer? Then I felt like I don't know anything else in the option that is connected with samoma bodies. That's how I went for meningioma. And when teachers are discussing the answers, they are like, oh, it is very easy. It's a female with samoma bodies, meningioma. I'm like, no, ma'am, it didn't come like that. It was entirely different. So that and all was very confusing, Didi. A female coming with an NPC. We were like, only what we studied was a male coming with an NPC. That those things where we started doubting ourselves कि मैंने सही पढ़ा है या नहीं. Is this what they're asking really? I really hope and pray God gives the success that we all deserve for what we studied for 6 months. And I want those people who are watching this, people who are in their internship days, because when I was in my internship days, I used to watch a lot of videos to see what I should do. And that's how I came to your videos, and it was very reliable कि you were telling कि ये करना है, मैंने ऐसे पास किया, so I was पास हुआ, ऐसे you passed, so I was like okay, that's how I followed you. So that was a game changer for me because I did not know where to study. Because I did not, that's my thing, like where I don't know where to study, what to study. That was the main thing. Because there are many teachers who are very capable, but I want to like if you are telling me मैंने यहीं से पढ़ा है, so I can follow that. You told me for forensic, you told me for psychiatry, so I'm like okay, you studied from that, you passed, and it was really hopeful. And anyone is asking me कि forensic कहाँ से पढ़ना है, I'll say like okay, YouTube में है, why going for other things? It's there in the YouTube, it's free. So what I need to say is, if you're in your internship days, start early and start watching the main videos, like the main videos of any app that you're following. And that's not all the apps are best. All the teachers are good. So whatever app you're following, start from your internship days or even before that, and then start with the main videos. That will really help rather than going for this rapid revisions, which you will eventually do only in the 6 months. Anyway, you can only watch those rapid revision videos. But before that, I think you should watch the main videos. And I really wish and hope and pray that I and all my friends pass the exam. And I want you also to pray for us, like literally.
Most definitely. I want every FMG to pass. Because, I think जो बच्चा पढ़ाई नहीं करता है, even they start studying so like जी जान लगा के पढ़ लेता है वो 6 महीने. And I think this did Obs Gynae main videos. In that whole 6 months, I just did that and random जो exam होती है, उस exam का जितना था उतना पढ़ना. Rest I did my job and I was earning, doing university also. So this 6 months I studied so much, and I think everyone studies. Everyone deserves to pass. And this is not competitive exam, so I think everyone.
Yeah, everyone. Correct. Yeah. In this months, all my friends were helping each other. We were all helping each other, keep this and that. And I have been seeing such a unity in such a long time. And everyone is telling me कि मुझे पास होना है. ऐसा नहीं. Everyone is typing we will pass. होना है. So that really moves me because we are not selfish anymore to think कि मुझे पास होना है. नहीं, we want to pass. Like that was really nice कि everyone we made a group actually. 30 people, 35 people, everyone was sending their notes and what to study and what they feel important, all the videos that they felt important and all. So all those were helpful. We were there for each other.
Yeah, so. And the results came. I also remember I called my friend, and I think one of my friend, he got 145, and he was the main reason why I started my YouTube journey. And one got 149. So I was like, absolutely, it was disheartening. Even
Yeah,
though
correct.
you pass and your friends
Mm.
won't pass, it was absolutely, shattering because we saw that person
Mm.
studying till 2
Study.
o'clock and giving his all.
Yeah.
Very nice. And I think that's so beautiful that our friendship grows, more.
True.
In the end of the day, we just want to be, we just want to have good people in our lives and have
Correct.
like good relationships.
Correct. I think this exam grounded us. Like it literally grounded us. We are not that people who boast about ourselves. We are not that anymore. We are just
We've
working for
really grown,
better.
yeah.
Yeah, we have grown as human beings. We have grown a lot, and I really hope all my friends and me pass the exam.
Most
Yeah.
definitely, you're going to pass, yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's gonna pass. I think the only factor that is differentiating between like passing and failing is fear and anxiousness and nervousness during the
Mm.
exam. जब वो सब आता है तो पढ़ा हुआ क्वेश्चन भी you start doubting
Correct.
yourself and गलत हो सकता है. So I think only that. नहीं तो
Yeah.
knowledge तो I think सबके पास है ही because same material, same sources,
Same.
same everything is same. So yeah.
Thank you for this opportunity. It was really nice.
So